Hi everyone. I would like to talk about the brief overview of the students' enrollments in comparison to the teachers' education qualification. Uh, I'll go slide by slide. The first slide talks about the team members and also the summary of our intended visualization. We have split the visualization into two parts, which is analytical purpose and the strategic purpose. The analytical purpose talks about the exploratory data analysis that we have done, comparing the student to teacher ratio as well as the student to the number of schools, which is enrollment ratio, and how the teacher's qualification has an impact on the enrollment ratio of the students across each state and also the respective districts. And moving on with the strategic purpose, what we have thought through is how the teacher's profile across each state and district will help the national and state education project directors in designing training programs and hiring additional staff, and also reallocation of teachers across each district in a particular state based on the student to teacher ratio and also enrollment ratio. Moving on to the executive summary, like I said, the intended users are the national and state education project directors, which gives them a high level overview of how the performance is across each state over a period of a year. In our case, we have considered data from 2008 to 2014. The types of dashboards that you see in our project are the student to teacher ratio and also the enrollment ratio. And the key components of the dashboard are about we have the academic years, we have the various states, the districts in respective states, and also the public and private schools, the teachers' education qualification, and their training details. If you see over here, the first dashboard talks about the exploratory data analysis. What we have given is a geographical representation of the different states in India in comparison to the enrollment ratio in the private schools and the government schools across various years, which is 2008 to 2014. So currently, in this case, we have selected Bihar, and if you hover on to that particular state, you get to see the number of districts in each state and what on all the teachers' qualification by and all the teachers' qualifications, which is below secondary or secondary, which is higher secondary, if they're a graduate, if they're a postgraduate, and if they're an MPhil, PhD, or a postdoc. And if you go hover onto the enrollment ratio, be it government school or private school, you get to know the number of schools in that particular district. And these are again sorted by the top enrollment ratio, which is so from our understanding, when we mean enrollment ratio in a government school is what we have done is the way we have calculated is the total number of enrollments and the total number of schools in that particular district. So from our understanding, we believe that if the enrollment ratio is low, it has a good it has a good what do you call equal spread of